Hi, welcome to my another video today. I will help you choose the 5 best robot vacuum for multiple rooms on the market. I have made it based on my personal researches and I am try to list those based on price, quality, and more. We have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting number 1, iRobot Roomba S9 Plus. If someone gave you a blank check and told you to buy the best robot vacuum cleaner, this would be the robot to buy. However, the iRobot Roomba S9 Plus has a hefty price tag, $1,300, although discounts are sometimes available. For this high price, this robot vacuum offers strong suction power and excellent dirt and dust removal. On hardwood surfaces, the Roomba picked up an average of 93% of the sand, the highest amount in our test group. However, it struggled a bit with sand removal on low-pile carpets and rugs, with an average dust and sand removal rate of 28%. However, the Roomba robot vacuum removed an average of 71% of the sand from our medium-pile carpet. That was also the best result we saw in this test. It also removed more dog hair, pet hair, and allergens than any other vacuum in this test group, and the robot navigates and maps multiple rooms and floors. iRobot has also updated its app, which lets you set exclusion zones that you want the S9 Plus to avoid when cleaning. The app also lets you use voice commands to instantly clean a room with Alexa or Google's voice assistant. The robot cleaned our test room in an average of 25 minutes. You can also connect the S9 Plus to the Roomba app and Wi-Fi in your home. Best of all is the Roomba S9 Plus's Clean Base docking station. The docking station charges the robot's battery and automatically empties the dustpan. It makes cleaning easier and you don't have to worry about battery life. It's really convenient. At number 2, Neato Robotics Spotless D7. For less than half the list price of the Roomba S9 Plus, the $480 Neato D7 sucks up dirt, dust, and clutter almost as well, making it the best mid-priced robot vacuum. On average, this robot vacuum picked up more grit, 36%, from low-pile carpets and rugs than the Roomba. This automatic vacuum also narrowly beat the S9 Plus in cleaning performance on hardwood floors, picking up an average of 95% of the grit we dropped. However, the vacuum cleaned dirt, dust, and sandless effectively on medium-pile carpeting, capturing only 47% on average. While the Neato can't compete with the Roomba when it comes to removing pet hair or emptying its own dustpan, the D7 gets around furniture more efficiently and covers more ground with its built-in LiDAR laser navigation. You can also control the robot vacuum using the Neato app as a remote control and connect it to Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. With the app, you can also set areas of your house that are not allowed to be cleaned. At number 3, Eufy Robovac 11S Max. Here's a robot vacuum cleaner that proves you don't have to break your budget to buy a solid vacuuming robot. Even though the Robovac 11S Max only costs $250 right now, it cleans floors effectively. This is especially true when cleaning bare hardwood surfaces. In our test, this economical robot vacuum cleaner managed to remove an average of 71% of the sand on this type of surface. When it came to cleaning carpets, the robot was not as successful, achieving an average sand pickup of 21% and 27% on low and medium-pile carpets, respectively. And thanks to this vacuum's simple navigation system, it took well over an hour to traverse our test room. In terms of time, that's a lot. But Eufy used its runtime wisely. The vacuum covered the room well, cleaned it, and left almost no stains. The Eufy also charges itself, so you don't have to worry about battery life or adding it into the overall cleaning time. This is the best robot vacuum cleaner for its money. At number 4, iRobot Roomba i7 Plus. If you're looking for a robot vacuum that empties itself but doesn't have the price tag of the Roomba S9 Plus, see above, this model is the right choice between price and cleaning performance. The Roomba i7 Plus is equal to its big brother in many ways. It has the same smart features to map your home and integrates with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. It also uses the same large volume dust bag to make sure you only remove the dust and dirt collected every 30 days. However, it can't compete when it comes to suction power. In our tests, we found that it's the best for quick daily cleaning, but it can't remove as much dirt as the S9 Plus. Still, this robot vacuum offers a good balance between price and cleaning performance for most people. At number 5, Roborock S6 Max V. The Roborock S6 Max V robot vacuum stands out for its battery life. The Roborock claims that it can clean continuously for up to 3 hours in its lowest power mode. During testing, we used balanced mode, which means that 30 minutes of cleaning a 20 square meter area drained the battery by 20%, a decent level of performance. The Roborock S6 Max V is equipped with 2 cameras and LiDAR, so it can quickly map a space. It even marks obstacles like discarded shoes or furniture on the map and takes a photo that you can see in the app. The app even uses AI to detect the obstacle, which works in most cases. We were impressed with the dust pickup on carpets and hard floors. It offers similar suction performance to its competitors. It can both mop and vacuum, but this dual function makes it one of the largest robot vacuum cleaners we tested. Measuring 48.8 by 40.6 by 15.6 centimeters, it takes up a lot of space and struggled to fit between chair legs. However, it is surprisingly quiet in use, which makes it a rather gentle giant.
So if you want to buy these products, check link in the description box.